Hey, what's going on, world? It's your nutritional wellness guy, me, Chef D, and I'm back with another Nutri-tip. Today, it's all about shrimp, or as some of you still may be calling it, scrimps. But I ain't judging. Not really. Anywho, today is all about shrimp. Now, I truly feel bad for those who have an allergy to shrimp because it's just not delicious. It's not just delicious. I'm all bumbled up because I'm drooling. It's not just delicious, it's also very beneficial to your health. Shrimp is loaded with protein. Now, protein, I'm always saying certain things are loaded with protein, and you're like, okay, what that has to do with us? Protein has been known to help build and repair bone, muscle, blood, and skin. Now, in addition to that, shrimp is loaded with selenium. Now, selenium has been known to help with thyroid health and brain health. Add that to the fact that shrimp contains an antioxidant called astaxanthin. Now, there's a scientist out there probably somewhere who's like, I don't think you say it like that. And you might be right. But what I will say about what I just said, that antioxidant thing, is that it helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles in the skin. And it's also known to help reduce inflammation that may cause cancer in the body. Last but certainly not least, shrimp have nutrients. I was about to say loaded, but let's just say, I don't want cap. Shrimp have nutrients: iron, calcium, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and a couple others that showed up to the party, but their name probably not on the guest list. And these components have been known to help with heart health, eye health, and overall immune support. Yikes, shrimp. And now the Healthyish health hack approved. And remember, health is wealth, and I'm just here to make sure you're getting paid.